Hello, welcome to my class. Today is Tuesday, 19th May 2020. Topic review. Remember, this week is a review. Performance, page 14, going to. Please, if you can open your book, page 14, because we review the concept of going to. Okay. We use going to in future plans. Remember, it's near future plans. And you use first the personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. In singular, I, you, he, she, it. And plural, we, you, they. We use going to with the verb to be. Am, are, is, are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Going to is the future. I am going to play. You are going to swim. He is going to wash, or we are going to play. You are going to swim, or they are going to wash. Ok, recordemos, nosotros vamos a utilizar el going to en planes futuros cercanos. Siempre se utiliza la estructura del pronombre personal, verbo to be, going to y el verbo más complemento. Los pronombres personales ya lo sabemos, yo, usted, él, ella, esto, nosotros, ustedes, ellos. El verbo to be, recuerden, ser o estar, siempre se conjuga con I am, yo soy, yo estoy, ella es, él es, ella es, esto es, nosotros estamos, nosotros, ustedes son, ellos son o están. Cuando se utiliza going to, la utilización de going to es para planes, ¿ok? I'm going to be a teacher, tiene el plan de ser profesor. I'm going to be a teacher when I am older. He's not going to play football anymore. Negative, utilizamos he is not going to, negamos el verbo to be. Remember, we use going to talk about our future plans. En la página 14 hicimos un plan semanal, un horario semanal con las actividades que íbamos a hacer durante un campamento, ¿se acuerdan? Entonces ahí utilizamos el going to porque son planes. I am going to write my homework tonight. I am, verbo to be, I am going to write my homework tonight. They are going to watch a film this weekend. Tienen esos planes. Tienes el plan de escribir la tarea en la noche y ellos van a grabar un film o a grabar un film el fin de semana. Be careful, con cuidado, be careful. You can usually make the negative into waves. He isn't going to ride a bike, or he is not going to ride a bike. Remember? Esta es la abreviación. Ya lo habíamos visto en clase también. They aren't going to visit USA, or they are not going to visit USA. Continue. This is a review, okay? Esto ya lo hemos visto. Es un repaso. Tenemos un ejemplo que está también en su página 14. Page 18, 14, I'm sorry. Okay, Monday, on Monday. They are going to fishing on Monday. They are going to fishing. Okay, the action, fishing. What day? On Monday. This is the review. Este es el repaso por el día de hoy de going to. Espero que les haya gustado. Okay, my students, this is the review for today. I hope that you like my class. Bye. See you.